Did you know that certain sound frequencies can actually slow down your brain waves, helping you relax faster than meditation? In today's fast-paced world, stress has become part of everyday life. But what if we told you that sound could be your secret tool for inner peace? In this video, we'll explore the science of how sound affects your mind. Millions struggle with anxiety, overthinking, and sleep issues. While traditional methods like breathing exercises or yoga can help, they don't always work for everyone. What if there's a simpler way? Something passive, natural, and backed by science. Studies show that sounds like gentle rain, ocean waves, or specific musical frequencies can lower cortisol levels, slow the heart rate, and shift the brain into a relaxed state. Frequencies like 432 Hz and 528 Hz are especially noted for their calming effects. Nature sounds also sync our body to a state of calm through a process called entrainment. One study from Stanford University found that listening to slow-tempo classical music can activate areas of the brain associated with memory, emotion, and inner calm, similar to meditation. Relaxing music isn't just a vibe, it's a form of therapy. And the best part? It's accessible anytime, anywhere. What's your go-to relaxing sound? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check out our next video on mindfulness techniques you can pair with music. And thank you for watching.